Do you want to know how you can translate using your voice in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate using your voice. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on this button over here. Click on Google Apps and then click Translate. Now you can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Now, to translate using your voice, go ahead and click on Translate by Voice, which is this microphone button, and you must allow your microphones. So, click on Allow and speak whatever you want and it will be translated. But you must make sure that the dedicated language over here must be chosen according to your wish. So go ahead and click Allow and start translating. Hello, I love cats. And you can see that it has been detected. Let's skip it to English and let's do it once again, guys. Hello, my name is XYZ. I am from Bhutan. And to stop it, just click Stop Translation. And you can see that on the right hand side you can click on any language you want and it will be translated. So all you need to do is click on Translate by Voice. I love cats and I love dogs too. After you're done, click Stop Translation by Voice and you can see that it has been translated and it will make your time efficiency more better. And then you can see that it will be translated perfectly. I hope this video about how you can translate by voice in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.